first session, Kalyan sir and Seetal miss has done wonderful. I hope all have understood what they want to teach you. Now, I want to teach you about the MS Excel. Lot of work we are doing in the MS Excel. Now this day, whether we are working, our personal or professional life, MS Excel, we need that for doing the calculation, for keeping the record. Like that, the work is there. So we need that. And in the very simple, we will understand how we will able to work on the MS Excel. First of all, before going to start that, I would like to tell you about the MS Excel. You have heard many definitions of that. This is similar of that. The MS Excel heard the name. Many applications they contain, like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Excel, Access, Front Page, Outlook, all are the part of the MS Office. And we are going to learn the application which comes under the MS Office switch. Whatever the application we are learning, that MS Excel, MS Word we have learned already, MS PowerPoint we have learned. Now we are going to start with the MS Excel. It is an electronic spreadsheet with numerous rows and columns. In the MS Word, you have done the work with the text formatting, letter writing, whatever the document you want to prepare, you are going to prepare in the MS Word. In the PowerPoint, you have done the presentation. If you require to present something in front of the audience, viewer, class, there you are doing. In the MS Excel, all the data, they are providing you the tabulation format. Rows and columns will be there, already made here. Only you have to put the data over there and do the calculation, whatever the formulas and functions that will be learned there. Used for organizing data. Now what is the data? The collection of information is called data. Collection of information means the data is with us. Like suppose you are the class teacher, you have to keep the record of your student. Sometimes you are going to keep the record of the marks. Name will be there, admission number will be there, marks will be there. So how we will create that? So later on we will not face the problem. Sometimes we are getting the problem to entering the marks. We are putting the marks that come in the decimal point. Some number we are putting over there like that mobile number or that number. That number is not coming properly. The alignment is not proper. So little bit how we will manage that. All the data we have entered. Data entry is not a problem. The problem is how you will arrange so that others will not face the problem. You have sent the same file to others, but they are not getting as their format. You have made everything ready, you have sent that file, but other one is opening and that file is not in the proper way. So again they have to do the labor. You have done already labor. And again they have to do the labor. So that problem we are going to solve today. And whatever your question will be, in between you can ask. Yes, yes.
In the Excel file, I have done the admission number of the student, and I have found out when the admission number is less than 12, it has came March 2012. Instead of 3 2012 or 4 2022 like that way, it has came March, January, April like that. Date is coming. Instead of the number, date is coming. I want to solve this problem. What is the way?
Okay.
Thank you.
After finishing this session, this problem will not face by definitely. So now, already 7 minutes has gone. So we are going to start the MS Excel. For starting the application, the first thing is know how to start the application. So let's say that click on the Windows, all program, MS Office, and there you will get the Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, like the application is there. That is one way. But now you know that every time the software is going to update, and where you will go to update software, you will not get the same option. With the different window, you will get the different option. Somewhere you will see in the start button, the round shape is there. So there we are going to identify that which window it is. Or if you know the version of that, the way to open the application, it will be different. So I am going to teach you, not I am going to teach that go click on the start button and go to the all program. I will not teach you. I will teach you the shortcut way where you will get your application quickly. If you wish, you can note it down also. The simple to open the application, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel. No need to go anywhere. Window key is there in your keyboard. Press the window plus R. So please show. See, when you will press the window plus R, one dialog box will open, that is called the run command. Using the run command, we can directly call the exe file of any application which is installed in your system. If it is installed, the exe name, if you know, then you will be able to open that. So directly here, if you wish to open the MS Word, we are going to deal with all. MS Word. So anyone, if you know the exe name of the MS Word file, have you any idea?
.doc.
.doc, that is the extension. I want to know the exe name of that file. Exe name means executable file which we are going to click and then all the entire application will be open. Yes, please? MSW, no. That is big word. Without the space, you will write there big word several times. And press the OK. See, your application is going to be open. So no need to be waste your time to going to click on the start and finding the application like that. So directly using the run command you can open it. Once again. So exe name of the MS Word is big word. How will you open the run command? Press window plus R together. The run dialog box will open. There you will type the big word and press OK. Your MS Word file will open. Now come to the MS Excel. Yes, window plus R. Window key, don't leave the window key and together press the R. Now second, come to the Excel. How will you open the Excel using the run command? If you are going to open the start button, the step will be same where you are going to the click on the start all program, Microsoft Office. There you will get the Word, PowerPoint, Access, Excel all. For MS Excel, type there Excel only in the run command. Window plus R run command will open. Type there Excel, EXCEL only. And press the OK. See, the application is open. Now we have the first one, the blank that we will select, and then your Excel file will be open. For the PowerPoint, the exe name of that application is PowerPNT without the space. Listen, using the run command, we are going to open the PowerPoint also. PowerPNT. It is opening. PowerPNT. Okay. So this is the way how we will open the application quickly. Now working on the MS Excel. One more way is there to open that. If suppose you have the upgraded window like Windows 8, Windows 10 you are using. Now this day all our laptops are updated, so all are using the upgraded version. So you will see just beside the start button, one search box. There you can also type the name of the application, will get it. Like the Excel, you type the Excel, see the Excel is there. Like MS Word, you type the MS Word, the MS Word will be there. See, the word is there. So like that also you can find quickly, because we are using the computer to work quickly. Now, come to the topic MS Excel. First of all, in the MS Excel, see, if you will see, they have provided the rows and columns where the key is activated, that YADAV is activated, everyone is going to see. That area is called cell, where we are going to put our data. Any kinds of data, that can be number, that can be text, anything can be there. So, we are going to put that one. And before, if you will see, the address, in the MS Excel, the address is very important. We are working here to taking the address of the cell, not the value of the cell. Value and address, both are different. See, if the cursor is there in the D1, the address of that cell is D1. If we are putting some values like 10, 20, whatever, some values we put like the 10. If we use that value in our calculation, the result will not change if we use that. But if we will use instead of the value, instead references, means the address of that cell, that value will be changed. How it will be, I'll show you the one calculation. So write E2, also write the number. And down. E2 is some number, different number. And D2 also some different number. Like that 4, 5 follows here. Yes, also. Now in the F, we are going to calculate. We are finding the sum of that. F1. In the F1, sir, very important. When we are going to do any calculation, if you have learned the Excel, you know where we are going to start the calculation. Start with an equal to sign always. If we will not write the equal to, what will be happen? The Excel will not understand that you are writing the formula function for calculation. They will understand that you are writing the text symbol. So they will accept it as a text. Example, so right here, the address D1 plus E1. Press enter. See, the result is there. Now the next, the value D2 and E2. We need to write the again or no need? No need to write. If we are writing, then it is just like the manual. So we doesn't need to write it again. What we will do, we will select the again that one, come to the full handle button. See in the corner. If you will that you go, see the cursor. How you will understand that you have to drag from there? You will understand by the cursor only. See the cursor. Now the plus sign. When you will go in the corner, see the symbol has changed. It will be little less thicker. So click there and without releasing you drag it. See, all the answer is there. Here we have used the reference, the address of the cell. That's why it is there. Now come to the way, the value. In the Z1 equal to the D1 value is 10 plus, this address we doesn't need, we write the value only. Only write 10 plus 20. Enter. The first answer is same. Now see the magic. Again the letter, drag it. What happened? Answer is not coming. Why? Yes. Because we have used the value instead of the reference. So if we will use the reference, then it will be easy to, it will be upgrade. If you will see the address, it's where the 100 were bought. If there's a F2, in the formula one you see, they have upgraded the address. Where we have used in the F1, the address is D2 and, sorry, D1 and E1. But here you can see the address is D2 plus E2. We have not written here, but it is updated. So that's why we are using here to value, reference instead of the value. This is the first one.
So one question.
Yes.
So first line one marks is wrong. Instead of 20 it will be 30, sir. I want to change.
Which one, sir?
20 remember, that marks will be 30. E1. So that means again I have to write the formula. Sir?
Yes, good question, sir. So question is, instead of 20, we have to update the marks. By mistake it is 20. It should be 30. So the question is again we have to write the formula, we have to drag. No. MS Excel is providing us the features whether the calculation once you have done and which cell is related to that. You no need to do the calculation again. Only you have to do the update of their whatever the requirement data is there. That will be recalculated automatically whether you have used that cell reference. This is one calculation that we have done. Now come to the second part, the copy, cut and paste. As Kalyan sir has taught you how to do the copy, how to do the cut, how to do the paste. Here also the same thing is there. In the home tab, see cut, copy, paste option is there. Before going to cut, copy, what to do first? Yes, selection. That is the most important. Here, if you will see, it is divided into rows, column and save spacely. When you will click on the single cell will be selected. When you want to select the multiple cell, how you select it? Click there and drag it using the mouse. Or if you want to use using the keyboard, you want to select, then what to do?
Shift plus L.
Yes. Where, in which way you want to select. Suppose you want your cursor is now in the D1. You want to be selected by the E1, F1, G1. Then what you will do? You will click there first using the keyboard I am telling you. Mouse by it is easy, just you drag it. Then hold your finger over the shift and press the right arrow key. Whatever the right arrow key you press, that part will be selected. In the down, if suppose the whole you have to select, click the down arrow key. See, same position you are going to select. Means this is the part of the selection. Copy, sir has taught whether you have to go in the home tab, there the copy option is there. Shortcut is Control C. Using the keyboard you can do it. Pressing the Control plus, when plus symbol is there, or when anywhere it is written that Control plus C, Shift plus C, press Control Alt together. On that time, one term you understand, you doesn't have to delete the first one. That you have to hold with the finger and together you have to press the whatever the combination key are there. Control plus C for the copy, Control plus V for the paste, and what is the shortcut for the cut? Control plus X. Similarly, the undo options I say, what is the function of undo? I am little bit revising. Yes? You have to return back one steps. Whether you are, suppose we are working over there and we have done suddenly some mistake. What to do? If you have deleted the file, on that time you will scare. What to do? Don't have to worry. This Control plus Z, that is the shortcut to undo. Control plus Z you will do. You will just reach to the back one steps, whether you are.
Sir, once suppose you save it, then another number,
It will come.
after saving what?
Sometimes some application not providing that way. Means you have saved and you have closed that application. You have shut down the system, then it will not work. Now come to the calculation part. How do we do the calculation? Before that, I have missed that how do we know the address of the Excel? That is most important. How you will find out the which cell, what will be the address. Suppose the data is there, the 40. Click there, sir, in the 40 cell. Yes, 100 suppose. What is the cell address of that? D3. How do you understand? Just see the column part. It is in D, and after that see the row part. So first we are going to start with the alphabet, then it will be the number. Means the address of that cell is D3. Similarly, put your anywhere. What is the date of that? Yes. Then it is that you will find out that one more there the name. See that's going to be. That is address box. Yes, so where whoever will be there on that there on that address also we will be from there. If you want to be anywhere, suppose any sales, at least you know, but where it is, you know where to go. Just write down on the labels and click enter, you will go reach there. Like that the thing is there. Now come to the calculation part. Open my system. Yes. I have made some data over here to do the calculation. How do we find out? Here we are going to calculate, this is sample for the result. One data I have made roll number, name, class, English, Hindi, Math, Science, SST, IT, marks is here. And we are going to calculate as we are working with the result. So we need it. So we are going to find out the total first. So what will be the formula for that? Formula and function both we can use. Formula we are using the manually and the function we are using from the computer method. So first of all we will go with the formula. For that, what will be the initiative steps? Equals to. The first we will start with the equal to, then we will start to writing the address of the particular cell from where we have to collect the data. The first, like D2 is there, then we will plus, give the plus symbol, then E2 will be there, then F2 will be there, then plus plus will be there. Like that we will proceed up to the I2. Plus I2. I2, yes. The formula after the present result is like now what to see that together let's select the rest then we'll handle one and drag it again and all the result comes out post. Yes, see.
The process which I presented just now is formula or just formula.
So this is the formula. That's the function. A function we will use directly the first and last, and in between the second will be there. And again, I am using the function also to explain. Yes, sir.
Suppose science, when is there not zero, black is there.
If I use the formula, then the formula will work.
Yes, definitely. Whether there or it will be 0 or it will be blank. If you have selected the cell, that will be counted. No marks is there, blank is there, they will count 0, they will take 0. Now we are going to use the function. For finding the total, sum function is there. For the sum function, how we will use it? First of all, we will start the equal to sign. Then we will write the sum. Then start the bracket. And after that, what to do? Address of the two cell only we require. The first and the last. In between all will come together. Yes, sir.
It will become into
Little tomato, sir. Now, all right, sir. Oh, little more, sir.
all of it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So using the sum function, start the bracket down, sir. Yes. The first cell column, last cell. The first cell is D2, where we are going to start the calculation, and the last one is I2, and close the bracket. And after that, press the enter. When you will press it, see your result is there. So this is the for the function to finding the sum over there. Now come to the second part. The average is there. In the average, both function formula we can use. In the mathematical way, maths teacher are there. If suppose total is that, how do we find the average? What to do? Simple way. I've asked to the math teacher. It's a simple, their language I am. What to do? Total divided by number of subjects. That same we will do here. Yes, sir. See, where we have got total, the cell address is J2 and divide by the number of subject. Then press enter. See, the average has come. Now come to the function. For finding the average function is there. Type equal to average, start the bracket. Yes, same thing. As we have used in the sum, we will use in the average also. The first and last cell. From where to start, where to end. Yes, sir? Enter. See. And the presence is there. So whatever we are using, and the present total using the function formula. Max. Now, what is the function? One maximum max was used in the inner of the max value. It is because range. This is the is where to find the number which is the maximum. We want so that time it is difficult to find it out. So now max function to find the maximum number between the given range. What will we do? We will start with the first and between the last. The first cell address is here. If you will find out that this is not for the particular cell, it is for whole, I'm telling you. The first number will be the D2 and the last number will be the I9, not I2. For the whole I have said, if it's a single row if you want, then it will be I2 is alright. And if you want to be in the all, then it will be I9. So single plus rows wise we want to find, yes, press enter. See, find out it is right or not. In the first English Hindi, the particular person may be wrong 1. Whatever the highest marks is there, 88. It is finding correct. The second one is the minimum value. The particular student who has got the minimum marks, what is the marks I want to do? So on that time we will use the mean function. Equal to say mean, start the bracket, first cell, colon, last cell. Press enter. See, the minimum value is 65. Is it correct? Not getting answer. No, it is not correct.
No, in the board is not correct.
Student wise I am asking. Student wise, means for the particular student, the particular subjects is there, English, Hindi, Math, Science, History. From there, the 88 maximum maths they have got and minimum 65 they have got. If we go to the rest student, what we will do? Simply we will drag it, that is for the all like the total average, all with that, total average also. See, all result we have.
Someone question. In average, what you can see after those so many digits are there.
Yes. So many decimal points are there.
So normally we are not showing, we are showing maximum 2.
Maximum 2 years. Alright. So for that, see, in the home tab, in the numbers you see, that is the decrease the decimal and increase the decimal. This option is there. Whether you want to use without the decimal, you don't want to show the decimal, that is also possible. If it is coming, then you will go for the decrease the decimal will not be there. And if you wish that how much decimal will be there, how many decimal point, 2, 3, whatever you need, as per the agreement, you can do that.
So if you want to show only, suppose 79.50 or 78.
Both.
Either the child will get 79.5 or 80.
So it will without decrease the decimal point. Decrease the decimal point you will use. It will come as from like 79.5. It will remove the 0.5. It will come 80. Like that goes. Yes, sir.
Other than fraction, second or third any position can be taken out.
What?
Means maximum value you have taken out, minimum value taken out. Suppose I want to know what is the second value, second max, or that is possible formula.
That is also possible with the formula. Lot of formulas there. If you will see,
Conditional formatting.
conditional formatting is there. Yes, we will need it. Don't worry. So lot of in the MS Excel, if you will see, lot of things are there. We are discussing here the basic thing. We are not going to deal with the professional way, which is be required, because all of doesn't require that much the proofs are there, VLOOKUP proofs are there, HLOOKUP are there, lot of proofs are there. That much we are not discussing. We are discussing here the little bit so the teacher can able to do their work, whatever their requirement is there. This is the calculation. Any problem, anything is there? Any question regarding the calculation? If you have, then you can ask now. No. Thank you.
So site changes, color changes, I want to do. Like the heading class English related, I want to do different color. So is it possible, sir?
In the class written 10.
So all this heading, I want to give blue color.
Yes, definitely, sir. It can be.
So how to do, sir?
It will be from the formatting as Kalyan sir has taught you the format. Select the text and do the formatting. Text formatting. Same thing you will do. Two types of formattings are there. It's color if you are using. The two terms are there. One is the text color and the second one is the background color. Same color. Base color. That two terms we have to do. First of all, we are going to deal with the text color. If you want to change the color of the text, what we will do, first of all, we will select that. We will click on the C. A symbol is there. That is for the text color. If you will click, the text plate will be there. And there we will select any of the color. Select it and C. The color will change. Now for the background color, see just below. The field color is there. Click there, select any one. See, the background of the particular scene is going to be changed. So like that, you can do the color of the text and color of the background of the particular cells or group of cells. One cell we have selected, that's why it is applied to a single one. If multiple will be there, so select the multiple one, please. Entire the text color we want to be the blue or see, click there. And the field color we want to be the not applied, I think. Okay. And the background color we want to be in the yellow. See. So like that, whether you want to be applied, you can do it.
So my request teachers, if you have any questions, you can ask.
Yes.
You can ask whatever you want to know from the Excel sheet. Okay.
Teachers actually have to calculate the percentage in attendance. You can show that. Attendance percentage they have to have.
Yes.
That one is so you can complete that because
Yes. Now second one, we want to discuss one more option is there, just below the cut copy, format painter. What is the use of that option? Sometimes, some other sheets we are working over there. Over that sheet, so many formats they have used. And something I have to type new. When I will type, that it may happen that the format, the color will be different. It will look odd that some text in the same sheet is looking different and some is in the different. So at that time, what is the way to do the quickly match with the same format? For that, the format painter option is there. If you want to be, take the format means everything, like the text color, like the text style, size, whatever is there. All that will do the copy from there and it will be applied where you will drag it. See, for the example, select for first from where you want to be copy the format of that particular cell or that. Select that, click on the format painter. Click there, click. After clicking, what you will do, see, when you will click over there, one format like the brush will be with your cursor. That will show you that you have taken the format painter. Again, Susan, see, you are seeing the cursor, one brush is there. Now see, visible. And wherever you will apply, the same format will be applied on that particular selected series. Do it. See. It is the use of format painter. Understood? Any confusion?
whenever we do all the time, we do format painting.
What, sir?
Suppose I want D1, then again E7, then E9. So every time we have to go format and do format address.
No. One more option is there. Clipboard. Or if suppose very nice question, sir. If suppose we have selected that class format, click there, sir. Class, yes. That format I want to apply, not for the all, with a particular one. On that time, what to do? Now we have just select that and click on the format printer, and we have applied that. After that, the option will not be selected. If you want to be use it in the particular place, it's here also, there also, it is not in the sequence. It will be here and there. So at that time, what you will do? You will select that and double click over the format printer. No, sir? If you will do the double click, it will be applied. Click, sir, anywhere. Click anywhere. Click anywhere. So like that you can use it. Means it will be with you. Now the second thing is there. If it will be with you, you have to type something. Then what you will do? You have to disappear that things, deselect that option. For that, again you will click on the format printer once. Click there. That format center will be, format printer will be deselected. So this option will be helpful when you are using the format at that time. After that, the alignment is there. In the MS Excel, like in the MS Word, the 4 alignment sir has taught you: left, center, right, justify. Here also, the 3 alignments are there and 3 positions are there. The 3 alignment, if you will see in the cell, little bit, see. By default, the position of that cell, alignment is left and the position is bottom. See, the alignment is left and the position is bottom. Sometimes we need to be increase the size of the column or rows like that. So in that time, see, in the alignment group you see the 6 are there. Left, right, left, center and right, and top, middle and bottom. So bottom is there. Now if you select the middle one, sir, please see. It is the left alignment, middle position. So for the center one, it is the center and middle position. So like that the thing is there, we can arrange here with the alignment. Again, just on the position, in the upper part you will see the text orientation are there. Sometimes we need to arrange the text with orientation. Like that, we are writing the text. Page orientation you have learned. It will be portrait and landscape. Same thing, we can arrange our text also. Like this, very one is written. See, this is the text orientation. Once more. Okay, sir, please. First of all, what we will do, we will select the text where we want to be applied. Click there, and so many orientation are there. Any one, as per your need, you can apply there. As per your requirement, you can do so. Now after that, the very important thing, after creating everything, when we are required to print that thing, there is printing of the page. In the MS Word, we are able to see the page, that which page is coming in the one page, 2 page, like that is there. But in the MS Excel, it is too difficult to see that. In the one page, how many text are there, how many contents are there. For that reason, in the page layout, click there, sir. One option is there, the print area. Page layout already we have, orientation already sir has discussed, the margin of the page already sir has discussed. Same thing will be applicable here, whether you want to use the margin also, sir, margin. Click in the custom. See, the top, left, bottom and right. Same thing as sir has done. And if you want to increase the margin, if you want to decrease the margin, you can do that. Same thing, no need to discuss. Yes, sir. Orientation is same. First time they will provide you the portrait as per the requirement. The landscape you can select it. No need to discuss. Size of the page is same. Print area, that we have to discuss. In the MS Excel, which area you want to be print, that you can select with the print area. That much area only the printout will come from the printer. How do I do it? First of all, yes sir, select that particular part, whether you want to be on the paper. Select that one, go to the print area and set the print. See, the area is selected. That area is selected for the print. If you want to see the preview, the top part, see, the preview is coming like that. Why it is coming like that? And the more data is there. Why it is coming like that? Due to the orientation. Because orientation we have selected the portrait. If you want to get all, we need to be changed in the landscape. So change the orientation once. Now see the preview. Yes, see. All are coming? Like that the thing will work. If you will keep the print, only this much print will come by you, not the whole page. Or if suppose more data is there, you will give the print command, so entire the data will come. You don't know about how many pages will be come from there. If a single text will be in the next page, that will also come. Like that the thing is there. One more thing I want to tell you, sorting. It is a very important option, sorting. When we require to filter the data, like the name is given, some name is there. According to the name, we want to arrange it in the ascending order. That time sorting is required. So for the sorting, what we will do, we will select the data, we will click on the home tab, see the last option, editing. Shorthand filter is there. Click there and see filter option, click there. If you do the filter, in the top of the every columns, one arrow has come. Using that arrow, we can do the filter over there. Like the name, we want to be change it according to the ascending order. So see the A to Z option is there. Select cursor. See, the name has arranged and all the data will also arrange, not only the name. We have selected all, so all the data, entire data will be arranged according to the name order. See, the ascending order, the roll number of people is 3, Ganesh is 7, like that. You can identify that whether all the field has arranged or not. If you wish to keep it as it is, you want to remove the filter again, click on the shorter filter. And deselect it. Remove some filter. Yes. Select also. Filter. Click on the filter. Yes. It will be removed. Self the sorting is there. Select the thing, like whatever the data is there, click there and click on the shorten. Arrange in the ascending order, descending order, like the thing is there, click there and it will be arranged. Upcoming. One more thing is there. Only one last option is there. Sometimes when we are entering the data, in between it is too difficult to find out that whether the gap is there, whether no data is present there. At the result time we are finding by our eyes it is not visible, that sometimes it is missed. The where is that data? So that data, if you wish to find out in between, what is the blank place in there? Seat 2 person? What is the seat 2? See, in this data, some space are blank. So if you want to find out quickly, what you will do? You will select the entire data first in the range. Yes. Press the Control G. Control the G. See, this option will come. Go to the special. Here you will get the blank option. Click there. Press OK. Entire the blank sheet will be in front of you. Now what you will do? You will do the color. Do the color. Go to the color. Click any color. You will find out whether blank place is there or not. So there you will understand which cell is blank and you can identify it quickly. Okay, I think my session is over. Yes, sir.
Like on the AUG product in XLC, it is an AUG.
Yes. So quickly select any cell. Write 10-digit number. Click there. Little more space, little less space too. See, the number is coming like that. Sometimes, or you are saying that August is coming or like that is coming. There are two ways to solve that problem. One problem is what you will do. Before going to write the things, you will keep the single code starting. In the starting point, you will write the single code. And then you will type your text or letter, whatever the things is there, whatever the number is there. That will arrange as it is, whatever the data is there. Alright. Like that, suppose date of birth. Date of birth, I am giving an example. Date of birth is there. So if you write the date of birth, like see, 2/2012 is there. I have to put the 0 before that. So if you put the 0, it will not take. For giving that, give the single code over there. And then write the 0 code. Enter. Sit to sir. Okay, writing anywhere. No problem. Zero two sir, 0 2. 0 you write? Press enter. See. Now it is coming. And one more option is there. If you put this 2, in the number field it is general. You select from there the text. Then it will take. The down, the last one, the text will be there. That you know? Yes. Text will be there. If you select that text one, anything you can write, no number will be here and there. Thank you, sir. Now, our last setup is there. Thank you.
Today, our respective computer teachers have taught us how to work with computer system. So now, I'm going to teach you how you can work your MS Word or MS Excel or PowerPoint in mobile phone. Sometimes it happens that we all are out of station or we cannot carry our laptops or desktop every time. So how we will use our smartphones as a medium of typing, that I will be going to teach you. So please. here is a small presentation to show you that how you will be installing the application in your mobile phone and how you will use it as a medium of typing. So first of all, I will be saying you that how to create a worksheet or how to make a mark sheet in Excel application. So first of all, you will in your mobile phone, its common feature that is Play Store. You will go to the Play Store option. There at the top, search rectangular box will be present. There you will search the application called Excel. You will be getting the option, so just select that option. You will get install option. As you click on that install option, it will take little bit of time to install. After that, it will show you open option. Click on that open option. Some of the steps you have to follow. If you are having a Microsoft account, you will be clicking the Microsoft account ID or the phone number. You will be clicking in sign in. If you are not having any ID, you will click sign in later. This option will appear. This is the last screen where at the right corner, a plus sign is there. You will click there. This window will appear where the first one is blank workbook. Click on that blank workbook. A workbook will be present as the same way in mobile phone and computer, the same cells will be there, everything will be present. The features little bit will be here and there. All the features at the bottom you will be getting the text color, the formulas, everything will be present at the bottom of the ribbon in your window of MS Excel. You will just fill up the data, see how sir is filling up the data. The cell that you have selected, that is called as the active cell. That active cell that we are working with, I have typed a small data and at the bottom some of the
Teachers, after Abhilash has finished speaking, please start the worksheet. Now please pay attention.
Google will not use.
Google they will not use for answers. Yes, but let him finish this session.
Thank you, Miss. So we will be getting the options at the bottom. You will see text direction, cell styles, format as table. Every option related to MS Excel you will be getting. The formulas and all, just down to the just above of the home tab you will get one FX command. That is the formula command where you can type the formula or you can get the function name also. Coming, your work is over now. Now you have to save the document. So for saving the document, you have to click on Save button. These options will appear where you can share it as PDF, save it, and save as. What is the difference between save and save as? Can anyone tell me?
Save as name will be there. Save as what name?
Save when a new document you are saving, and save as means you want to make a duplicate of the same document. I have created one document, I have saved it, and I want to make a duplicate of that. So we will be clicking on Save As. So print command, every command is useful. Print command for printing it. So click on Save. You have to select a location. It is very much necessary where many times we hear that I have forgotten the location. So you have to keep in mind the location what you have selected and give a file name to the document. A proper file name you have to give to your document. Next. Select the location. Give a file name and at last click on Save button. Just beside the file name you are going to see .xlsx. That is the extension for MS Excel. The extension, every application is known by its extension. So MS Excel's extension is .xlsx. So here is your document, the previous one. The location, I have saved my file in documents. The name is given as class 6 XLSX. So you can open it or you can send the file through this procedure. Next application which I am going to show is MS Word in your mobile phone. So the same procedure, you will be searching in Play Store the particular application. Click on install button to install it. Installation will be completed. Cursor will be insertion point, which is a blinking cursor will be appearing in the screen. You will be starting to type. At the bottom, the keypad pattern will be shown. You have to type it. You have to type your work. Next, sir. A small text I have typed in that with the help of your keyboard. You can edit it, you can find replace whatever we are doing in our computer, the same features, you can use it in mobile phone also. Next. For saving, again you have to select a proper destination, a proper file name you have to give with the extension .docx. It will not be written by you, it will be taken automatically by a computer or a mobile phone. Okay? Thank you.
So let us thank and give a big round of applause to our very well researched, planned, and we all have been educated. Whatever we were knowing, little more. And many of us have cleared our doubts also. So in future also like that, we can plan like IT has done today, English department, second Hindi department, Bengali, maths, one presentation of 2 hours, we can plan in future for all the other subjects. Thank you. So as the feedback form has been provided, fill it up. Please don't take the help of Google. Let Mr. Google rest for some time. Whatever they have taught, because this presentation, this work, it needs a lot of planning, hard work. So please justify it by giving correct answers according to